Okay guys, so we are on our way. We're currently coming to Yardley. We're going to Coventry Road, and we are going plane spotting today. So Tracy got in contact with me, believe it or not, and she was saying that she went plane spotting, and you know what she actually said? She said, "Sir, can you work out the gravitational potential energy of this aeroplane as it was just landing over her head?" She didn't really say that. Anyway, then the next day, coincidentally, a friend of mine, Haroon, aka Budgie, shout out to Budgie, got loads of time for him. He had it on his Snapchat, and Tracy had told me the day previously, and basically it's in Sheldon, and you get to see all of the airplanes flying close over. So we're going to check that out, and it should be good fun. I'm sure the kids will enjoy it. So yeah, let's go. So we haven't even got to the aeroplane spotting place, and these guys are having fun already on this massive field. It's quite nice actually. It's quite a nice field. They're just chasing the birds and stuff. That's them chasing the birds. Oh, that was funny. Okay, so we've just arrived. That's the runway, and because that's the runway, the aeroplanes take off here, and there it is. Oh my days. That is wicked. So how was that? Yeah. So in typical British weather style, it has decided to rain. This one's powering up, making a lot of noise. Oh, yeah, so I don't know what for though. Yeah, what is it? What is that? Oh my goodness, is it small or big? Oh, how big is it? Show me. Oh my goodness, that's really big. So this one's going to be taken off soon. What is the airline? Look at that, beautiful man, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Ready.
Is it ready? Is the airplane ready? There's the roar, and it is. What a sound, what a beautiful sound. Yeah, it's gonna fly off now, Layla, watch for it. It's gonna fly away. Come fly, let's... Alright, I'll stop singing. Is it flying now, Layla? Tell me when it starts flying, Layla. Yeah, it's flying. Say bye to the people.
Bye, people.
Wave them goodbye. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, people.
Oh, it's coming in at an angle as well. Must be the wind. There's one coming in right now. Well, say hello to it, guys. Say hello. you can predict when one's coming, because if the aeroplane's parked to the side, it means that there's one coming. This one parked, it waited.
It's light in my head.
What was it?
Light in my head.
It flied in your head. Oh my god. Is your head okay? Is your head okay though? Oh my god. Oh, I wonder what that one was. Okay, so we've just finished our plane spotting. I really enjoyed it. I mean, the landing planes were about one every 10 minutes roughly, but the takeoff, they were like loads and loads of takeoff planes. And the best thing about this place is that it's absolutely free. It's just a park that has a view to the runway, so it's free. I'm gonna put the details up, the address up at the end of this video, which is now.